Hello children, very good morning to all. Once again, you all are welcome to online CS classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Viruvai. In the last section, we will discuss different string functions. Okay, a number of functions we will discuss in the last class. Today also we can discuss few more functions. See here, the first function is strip. Strip of chars. Okay, this chars is the characters. It returns a copy of string with leading and trailing white spaces removed. If characters is given, it removes characters instead. Okay, that is the strip functions used to remove leading and trailing white spaces. If you give any characters in between these parentheses, then that characters will be removed from the starting and ending positions. Okay, that is the use of strip functions. Next one, lstrip. Lstrip of chars. It returns a copy of string with leading white spaces removed. Okay, only leading space will remove by using lstrip. Leading space will be means that is a space present in front of a string. Okay, then if characters is given, it removes characters instead. Okay, that is when you give any characters, then the specific characters will be removed from the leading end. Next one, rstrip. L for left, R for right. Okay, then it returns a copy of string with the trailing white spaces removed. Okay, that is at the end position. If characters is given, it removes characters instead. Okay, see here we have three examples. So the first example, str1 is equal to, here we have spaces, after that notice, then again space. Okay, then print the len of str1. So here the length of the string is 10. Okay, that means the length function calculate the space characters also. That's why here the length of string is 10. Then str1 is equal to str1 dot strip. Okay, when you use this strip function, it will remove both the leading and the trailing white spaces. Okay, so after removing these spaces, when you print the length of string 1, it will give the output as 6. Because here notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 characters. That's why here we get the output as 6. No space characters included. See in this example, str1 is equal to notice. Here also leading and trailing spaces. Then str1 dot lstrip. Lstrip will remove only leading white space. Then print the len of str1. See here 8. Okay, because here trailing white space is not removed. That's why here the length of string is 8. The next one, str1 is equal to notice. Okay, both spaces are here. Then str1 is equal to str1 dot rstrip. Here only trailing white space is removed. That's why when you print this length of str1, you will get the output as 8. Okay children, I believe the concept is very clear to you. Now remember one thing, if characters is given in any strip function, the characters are checked for all the possible combinations that can be found with the given characters. Okay, that is when you send not, NOT, then it will check for NOT, OTN, TON, TNO, ONT, NT. Okay, NOT. Okay. Then like this every possible combinations will be checked. Okay, when you pass any characters, then all the combinations with that given characters will be checked by using these strip functions. Okay, see one example, str1 is equal to python for csip.com. str1 is equal to str1 dot strip mco. Okay, see here the reverse is given MCO. Then it will remove these characters from the given string. Then print the str1. Okay, print the str1 means it will remove python for csip dot. Okay, it will remove this COM. It it will print only Python 4 CSIP dot. Okay, here we are passing MCO, but COM is another combination of these characters. That's why it will remove this COM from our given string. The next function is replace old comma new. This function is used to replace old text inside the string with new text. Okay, just to replace the given text with the new text. See the example. MSG1 is equal to you see, I see, everyone see. Okay, the MSG1 is equal to MSG1 dot replace SEA comma SEE. Those strings are given in between single quotes. Okay, when you apply any string, you have to give that string in between single quotes or double quotes. Then print the MSG1. So here we use the function replace. Okay, replace function we used here. That's one. It will replace this SEA with SEE. See what will be the output? You see, I see, everyone see. All the SEA is replaced by new SEE. So that is the use of replace function. The next one. When programmed to enter string and count how many uppercase, lowercase, digit words present in it. Okay, so here first we can enter one sentence by using the statement enter any sentence. Here D is equal to 0 to count number of digits, U is equal to 0 to count number of uppercases, L is equal to 0 to count number of lower cases, and W is equal to 0 to count number of words. Okay, then for loop for CH in str. Okay, str is the given string. Then if CH dot is lower, so it will check the first character. The for loop will take character by character. Okay, so first character checked whether it is a lowercase or uppercase. If it is a lowercase, then the lower L plus equal to 1. Okay, the lowercase variable will be incremented by 1. Otherwise, it will check is upper. If that condition satisfied, the uppercase will increment by 1. Then otherwise, it will check is digit. If that condition satisfied, D plus equal to 1. Otherwise, it will check for space. Okay, space means it will be a next word. So we can easily find out the words. So W, the word plus equal to 1. Okay, after executing this loop, we will get number of digits, uppercase, lowercase and words. So we can easily print here total number of upper alphabets are U, the lowercase alphabets are L, digits are D, and the words are W plus 1. Okay, here output is also given. Common password. Okay, this given sentence is common password is password at 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here uppercase alphabets 2. Okay, first C, then P. Okay, C and P only uppercase character. Lowercase alphabets. How many lowercase alphabets are there? So its count is 22. Then total digits 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Digits 3. Total words are 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 words. Again, see another program. Program to enter string and find the number of occurrences of any word. Okay, so here first line is equal to input, enter line. Then sub is equal to input, enter substring. Length is equal to len of line and len sub to find length of substring. Len of sub. Then start is equal to count is equal to 0. The end is equal to length. Okay. Then after that we can start loop while true. Okay, condition satisfied. So post is equal to line dot find sub comma start comma end. Okay, the find function we were already discussed in the last lecture video. It will be used to check whether the given characters or a group of characters is present in a string or not. Okay, then that index number will be, that index position will be returned. Okay, if the characters is not present, then it will return -1. Okay, so here the returned value is assigned to the variable post. Then to check pose is not equal to -1. Not equal to -1 means that variable or that string is present in the given string. So we can increment count plus equal to 1 and start is equal to start plus pose plus LANL sub. Okay, start position will be changed. Okay, suppose our position is 2, then the start will be start plus 2 plus LANL sub. Okay, that is the when you find the ease. Okay, ease in second position, then start position 0, then 0 plus 2 plus the length of string is 2, is 2 characters. Okay, then that means the start position will be the next one. Okay, after is word. Otherwise, if pose is equal to minus not equal to -1, when this condition is satisfied, then it will break from the loop. Okay, then it check is start greater than equal to end. Okay, when this condition is satisfied, break. Okay, then here you can print the number of occurrence of substring is equal to count. So the count will count the number of occurrences. After identifying each word, the count is incremental. So it displays number of occurrences of a given substring. See here, enter a line, keep brown fox jump over the brown goat. Okay, the enter substring brown. Okay, so number of occurrence of brown is equal to 2. Okay, children. The next one, see here, one code is given and inputs are also given. You have to find the output. So here string is equal to input, enter a string, count is equal to 3, while true. When to first check is string of 0 is equivalent to A. See the given inputs are A, B, B, C, C, A, C, C, B, B, A, B, C, C. So first we can take first input A, B, B, C, C. So string of 0 is A. A equivalent to A condition satisfied. So string is equal to string of 2 colon. So this one is a strip function. Okay. Here 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. From here to end it will read. Okay. List slicing operators. So here B, B, C, C. Okay. String is equal to B, B, C, C. Then on next iteration, it will check string of 0 equal to A. No, string of 0 is equal to B condition failed. Then it check which one? Next iteration, B, B, C, C. Okay, these are the characters given in the string. That is, last character is C. So, string of -1 equal to B condition failed. Okay, the first condition failed, second condition failed. So it will count plus equal to 1. Okay, count will increment by 1. Then break. Then print the string means it will print the B, B, C, C. Here initial count is 3, then 3 plus 1, 4. Next A, C, C, B, B. So initial checking string of 0 equal to A condition satisfied. So string is equal to string 2 colon. So 0, 1, 2, C, C, B, B. String will be C, C, B, B. Okay. Then on next iteration, it check string of -1 is equal to B. String of -1 B condition satisfied. So string is equal to colon 2. Colon 2 means it will read up to 2. So here 0, 1, 2. Only C, C will read. Then next iteration, equivalent to A condition failed, equivalent to B condition failed. So count increment by 1 and break. Okay. Then print the string count. So it will print the C, C and the 4. The next A, B, C, C. Okay. So first A condition satisfied. So 2 colon. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So C, C will take next iteration. This condition failed. First condition, second condition failed. And count increment by 1. So here C, C and 4. Okay, children. So now I believe you all understood all the programs that I discussed today and also the string functions. So please study well. Okay. Now our string lesson is over. I will give some programs also. Okay, see you again on next section. Till then, bye. Thank you.